typically is what we see here. We do see gable grip, but we also do see a lot of this, what we call a ball and socket technique. Okay? So, when it comes to defending hand fighting, is our first priority. If I'm fighting legs, or I'm fighting something else, and I'm not fighting his hands, he gets his choke, right? So, typical hand fighting grips, guys, I can make like this C-cup grip, and I'm going towards the end of the lever. Does everybody understand when I say end of the lever?
Only because of showing.
Good. Yeah? End of the lever, right? He's weak, I'm strong when I'm on the end of his lever. Okay? If I'm here, he can probably still pull the screw, right? But if I'm here, he can't. Okay? So let's all get used to this pull-up grip with our offhand, and our primary defense hand is going to get thumb towards my chest as I'm grabbing his wrist towards the end of the lever. Okay? The more I creep this way, the stronger I get. Okay? So from here, I should be able to get tension away. And there's other things I could do. I'm going to also shrug my shoulders and tuck my chin. Right? I'm not too worried about exposing this part of my neck. I want to hide this thing. So he wants to get under here, right? Chin down, hiding my neck. I have my pull-up grip. You get your grip there, left. Let's go. C-cup grip. Barbie hand pull-up. Right here. I've leveraged pulling his choking arm away from me. I'm hiding my neck. Okay?
Is your grip only because he's doing ball and socket?
Get any grip you want, though. You like a gable grip. Even with a gable grip, I can still come here. Same principle, right? Working in my thumb at the end of the lever. Really like this, coupled with my C-cup. Okay? Here. Let's get with our partners. Let's practice those grips. And then maybe we'll choke a little bit. 1, 2.